Now that we introduced conjunction, disjunction, exclusive or, we're going to use conditional statement to show that there's a connection between two statements. Conditional statement or implication is of the form if one statement, then another statement. P and Q are both statements, mathematical statements. It means that you can assign truth or falsity to each one of them separately. P then Q is denoted by P then Q. We usually say that, hey, P is a hypothesis, or it's just an assumption, or it's a premise. And Q is going to be the conclusion. The truth statement for P then Q is as follows. True then true is always true. If you get 70 on your final, you pass exam. It's a true statement. True then false is false. If you get 70 and you don't pass your class, you don't pass your exam, basically it's a lie statement, it's a false statement. If you get less than 70 on the exam and still pass the exam, then it is a true statement. The instructor might curve the exam and you pass it. So it's not a lie statement, it's true. If you didn't get 70 on the exam and you didn't pass your exam, it means that you didn't study for the exam. You didn't get 70, then the conclusion is you didn't pass the exam. So this statement in general is true. Please note that P is called sufficient condition for Q, and Q is called a necessary condition for P. For example, suppose a statement P says that the student studies for the exam. Statement Q says the student get a passing grade on the exam. Necessary condition says if the student doesn't study for the exam, then that student won't get a passing grade. And for sufficient condition, if student studies for the exam, then that student get a passing grade.